Welcome. In front of me I have Realme 8 and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works when you put on your display tempered glass. So as you can see right here, I have installed tempered glass, and let's start with this focus. I link this finger. As you can see right now it works. So it's very good because, for example, in the Samsung Galaxy S21 there was the problem when you put on the screen the tempered glass, you will be not able to scan your fingerprint. And as you can see right now it works every time. Maybe it's not the fastest sensor that you can find on the smartphone, but in this price range it's really good. It performs really nice even with the tempered glass, so probably when you take off this glass it will be works a little bit faster. So as you can see, when you put the tempered glass on your Realme 8, the sensor will be still works really good. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.